What's up, guys? Welcome to the shop today. What we're going to be doing tonight in the shop is I got to brush up on some MIG welding. And so what we're going to be doing is running my Vulcan OmniPro 220. It's been about 2 months since I've welded anything. Got a project coming up that I want to get used to welding again and stuff like that. I'm no professional, so be easy on me. I'm okay, but let's jump right in and get to it. Cool, so we got this bandsaw. I just got this welding scrap metal with this angle iron. We'll figure out a way to set it up and practice some welds on it. I'll just cut a few pieces and then we'll weld them together, clean them up, do all that fun stuff. Alright, so what we're going to do is we got this flat mild steel, and what we're going to do is set this on here. We're going to weld down this edge, inside, and then that's good. And then flip it over, use that piece. So let me clean these up real quick, and then start welding. Awesome, so we got this cleaned up. 1/4 inch steel, by the way, I forgot to mention that. So let's get this welder on. There it is. Boom. Really like this welder, guys. If you're a hobby welder like me that doesn't weld all the time, definitely look into it. Auto set, 03 wire, 030 wire, 1/4 inch. Bam, automatically sets your wire speed and everything. Turn the gas on. Something I always forget to do for some reason is check my helmet, make sure that the weld setting is on. Because I blinded myself more than once. So, I haven't welded for a while. Guys, I'm not a professional, like I said. So, you do what you do. Don't hate on me too much. I'm gonna go ahead and get these tacked into place really quick. Sweet. Some pretty hefty welds or tacks. So, let me throw a bead on one of these, and this is with no warm up. Literally throwing the hood on and going for it. So, let's see what we get. Let's start with this one right here. Something's up with my hood, guys. Something got jacked up with it. Let me fix that real quick. Something bumped my sensitivity. So let's try this again. I don't know. That wasn't good on the old eyeball. Alright, not too bad. I think I was going a little too slow. Not terrible. It's a little not bad. I'm cool with that. What do you guys think? So let's keep going. My helmet actually works now. So let's do a few more. Let's hope no sparks land on my phone, because that'd be really shitty. That one, not amazing. I went too fast because I thought I went too slow on that other one. You can see the gap there in between the motion, I guess. I'm kind of doing a fill, move forward, move back, kind of like that. A lot of. All right, sorry guys, my phone died. But as I was saying, I use this motion kind of like a back and forth, pause, fill, like that. And then you can also do, you know, your little half moons, whatever. Just whatever you feel comfortable with. I like the effect it gives you when you kind of do a back and forth pause. I think that's pretty much that on that. So I got my other side tacked up. Let's hurry and weld this up and then check it out. Start on the outside. Haven't changed anything on the welder. I think it's welding pretty good. I think it's mostly me. Usually I like to hold the weld. I'm going to try and push it this time just to practice, because getting all different kinds of positions and you never really know what's going to work best for you. Little bit of buildup from the nozzle here fell into my weld, so that's always good. Make sure that's clean. Oh well. I think I'm getting a little too close, not having enough wire lead there. That's why it's getting so dirty. Nothing like super amazing on those. I kind of rushed through it, but nothing I wouldn't not trust. Woo. That was the very last weld. I like that one. That one turned out pretty good. That one, my glove got caught on the corner, so I kind of messed up right about there. Inside welds. Chunk of from my nozzle came out right there, so I had to restart. Not terrible. And then that was my very first one. So pretty happy with that, honestly. I haven't welded for at least a couple months. I need to get out here and weld more. Just haven't had too many projects that required some welding. The last project I did was these spindle gussets on my Forerunner. So that was a fun project. Yeah, if you guys know how to weld better than me, let me know. Be nice, I know. I'm not a professional. But let me know how I did. I'm really curious. Completely self-taught from YouTube. So, and just practice that. Guys, that's it for tonight. Let me know what you think of those welds. Pretty rusty, but we'll get back out here and do some more welding. Like I said, we got a big project coming up that I'm stoked on. Can't wait to show you guys that. Probably be after Christmas before I get to that though. Yeah, we'll see you next time in the shop. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, all those fun YouTube things, and we'll catch you next time.